Yo, what's up? My name is Skylar. I haven't made a video in a long time. Probably be going by Sky Blue Trader when I get all that set up. And I've gone by like Mr. Trader Danger. Stupid name. But, just having fun. I haven't made a video in a long time. Before, when I was trying to make videos, like I wasn't profitable at all. I was trading like $500 account here, $1,000 account here. I'd never been profitable until like November of last year, and then I finally hit my first profitable month on a larger account, like 10 grand, and was able to make a little bit. December into trade, and then I came back January. Got a fully funded account at 26 grand, and then I'm up like 90% on it at this point. So 80%. Just gonna keep pushing. As you'll see today, like I overtraded like crazy. Like look how many contracts I traded. Like look how much I paid in commissions. Like it's crazy. Um, so I have an issue with overtrading. We'll get there. I'm gonna go in order of kind of like my best contracts down because I just take so many trades and it's so hard to get through it all. So I'll talk about like this overtrading stuff, and then I'm not going to go into specifics of what I was looking for because it's just way too many different things. We'll go over like the bigger trades where my mistakes were made. So we're going to start with these 850 puts first thing in the morning. So in the morning, Tesla had a huge down day yesterday, and I was hoping for a continuation on that. I didn't take the initial move. I just didn't know what was going to happen. There was a big possibility it could have ripped up today. So we let this huge tank happen. And then we started in, this white line here was the low from yesterday. So we broke that and then bounced back into it. And I started in with some contracts, took off a little, re-added, or added a little bit higher, took off a little bit when we got to push up to kind of take some risk off, added again when we pushed lower, but we were still in this level, and it wicked here. Took off a little bit, took off another contract, and then all the way out here when it started to go the other way. This is where I made the mistake. So at 656, we're below this 850 line, and I'm thinking this is going to continue lower, but it wasn't. It needs to be a drastic break of the line, and that's something that I got to work on. And this is where I keep getting myself in trouble because here I'm up $900. Like I started my day great. Like I could have called it quits there, and it would have been a fantastic day. And then I gave it all back. Started in here. It broke above these highs, and I really should have cut. Like I should have cut immediately. I should have known, and I didn't because I just got clapped, premium clapped. Like it just destroyed me. I mean, at 13 and 11, and I'm not out until 7. Like it was terrible. So I ended up, I think, red at that point. The next trade, like we push up, we come down, and then so we go again, and then I take a trade against red green, and kind of the 200-day moving, the 200 period moving average. I took 2 contracts, and then took one off back into the low day into the low day from yesterday, and then as it didn't continue, I cut it, and then we just start. We get a little bit overbiased, over tradey. There's no real good trading here. I shouldn't have been doing all this chop chop, and then it continued after that. So just poor trading here, and something I really need to work on. Took another. I held one of these. It's kind of like a lotto, and I got out for some here, and then I tried to take another one over here. End of the day, hopefully that we would flush. End of the day, didn't happen. Tesla held up really good against that low from yesterday, and Ended up going up a little bit towards the end of the day. I was really hoping for a flush, back down, breaking the lows of the day, but never got it. So we'll go to the next contracts that I traded. And those I didn't trade until midday. This is my day off from work, so I sat at the computer all day, and I really wish I hadn't because I could have been done in the first 30 minutes. It would have been great. Just consolidation trading. This is like 10:30. So we're starting to get the breakdown here, and I'm just not. I have no conviction, and I'm getting juked out. I take a little win, and then stops me out, and then I get back in, and then I cut because it doesn't continue. And obviously, this trade sort of worked, so just bad. 11:03. So we finally get the breakdown. I take it back into this level. We get the rejection, and then we get a nice move down, and I catch that, and I didn't take it all off. I was up. I was up a good amount here, I think, and I didn't take it off. So whatnot, and then it's just overtrade. Just there's no big move here for me to be trading. Like I get caught in all this chop, and I'm just trying to short Tesla. There's no like I take this line again, but like come on, man, I gotta take better trades. So that's my 860 puts. Yeah, I think this is where I made most of my money back today on trying to take this short, but 900 call real quick, 7:47 in the morning. We started when we broke to the upside. It's kind of like a little first bounce, and I nailed it. I nailed this first bounce. We got the break, and I was hoping we could keep going, but it didn't happen. I took it off back in the high day, which was a great scalp trade. That was a great scalp trade, actually. Made a little bit of money on it. I only took 2 contracts, so wish I could have gone bigger. Like this is my favorite kind of trade. We're gonna keep going with Tesla first. Tesla 880 calls. 8:14 a.m. 8:14. What am I doing? So we get this is just this. It's bad trading. It's bad trading. There's no reason for me to be taking trades in this area, and it's something I really got to work on, which is why I'm doing this. I need to go over my trades. It's not something I do a lot, unfortunately. It takes time to do this. Not great at journaling. These are the things that I struggle with, and I probably could have been a better trader a long time ago if I just worked on these things. But we got there. So I think this was just the failed breakdown over red green, and then the push, and then I was just hoping for continuation to the upside. Obviously, I got sketched out and bailed, and then it looks like I tried to take another one here at 950. Just why? What levels did I break for there to be a trade? I didn't break any levels. We're just in the consolidation. Like I'm not hitting lows. I'm not like, at least if I was just, scalping lows and hitting $4 every time, like I could have taken $4 to $5, $4 to $5, $4 to $5. But no, that's not what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, so took a loss on those. 870 puts. This is me just fighting the middle of the day. I was just waiting for this break. It was all in the same amount of the same time frame right here. Like I'm just anticipating the breakdown on red green, and it never came, and I just just wanted to spend a bunch of money and took a lot of losses on it. Like 20 contracts. Like, come on. There's no reason for this. So, poor trading. After that, some SPY. Not really great trading. Like, I'm not convicted. I'm using too much side. I know I was going with like 10 contracts and like telling myself, I can lose $1,000. It's okay. It's okay. But it's really not okay because I know I'm not comfortable wanting to take that loss, right? I've been doing really good, and wanting to take a loss like that is just not like it's not. There's no conviction behind these trades. I mean, I made money, but the best trade was my first trade in the morning, and that's it. Like, everything else was kind of shicey. Um, just trading that, just scalpy. I like to scalp way too much. Then here, and like I think I made some money on this, but I was like smaller size when this finally ripped, and that these are puts 410 puts. So that was my trading for the day. Lots of over trading. Nothing that you can see that you can actually point to as like this is a thesis to trade. You don't always have to do that though. I've been making money. It's stressful though because like 3 times this week I've gone from up $1,000, down $1,000, back to break even, then down, then end the day up. It's not healthy trading. Don't trade like me. Uh, Hopefully my videos get better in the future. Hopefully I can actually point to some good trades. But legit, the only trade that was really good was my initial trade this morning on the first bounce to the downside. Just hard break, low day from yesterday, taking some shares into taking some contracts in the low day, and then taking them back, getting out back into the low. Great scalp trade. What my favorite trade is. If I could just only hit those, I'd be a lot less stressed out. So thanks for watching. Hopefully my videos get better, and catch you next time.